Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Epson Stylus NX230. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality, or you have some choppy prints, or your overall quality just isn't there, a certain color isn't printing out, or it's barely printing out, this is a method you can go ahead and use. You're going to go ahead and clean your printhead and solve that problem. Now the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is, I have it off now, but you're going to go ahead and turn it on. You're going to go ahead and lift that. Then your print head is going to come to the middle here. Now what you're going to want to do is, once the carriage is out here, you're going to want to grab it and you're going to want to turn the printer off. So turn the printer off and you can grab the print head gently and it'll stay right in place. Okay, so to do this project you're going to need a few things. So you're going to need a Epson cleaning kit for your print head. And that's going to come with a syringe and some cleaning solution. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to go ahead and get that. It's very inexpensive. I highly recommend that you get this. You're going to also need some paper towel that you're going to put right under the print head. We'll leave that there for now. And that's really all there is to it. It's a very simple kit. So it's a very inexpensive kit. I highly recommend that you go get that. That's going to be in the description below. There's going to be a link for it. It's going to say print head cleaning kit for Epson. Now the next thing is you're going to want to remove this ink. Now what causes this problem is that you're running your ink too low. What usually causes this problem is you're running your ink pretty low. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below as well for some brand new color and black ink for this specific model. Make sure that you do not run this printer again with low ink. Go ahead and get some, and that will solve your problem. So it's very important that you get some new ink, even if you have to wait a little bit after you do the project, after you do the cleaning. That's fine. I would do that if I was you, just so that you can do this right. Okay, so if you notice here, we now have a pretty good visual of what we need to do. So you're going to get your paper towel here. You're going to move this to the side, and you're going to put that right under there. And then you're going to go ahead and slide this right over it. Okay, that's good. That's good right there. It's right over it. And then you're going to go ahead and take your syringe, and now you're going to go over each nozzle. Put it right over that. And with your kit, actually this is a generic one that I'm using, but with your kit you should have something that's a lot easier to use. You won't have to stick your hand in here at all, actually. So that's why I highly recommend that kit. Okay, and then you're going to go over to the next one, and you can, this is pretty, I mean pretty simple. You're just going to go over each nozzle. Now with the kit there are instructions for you to warm up the solution, and that would help a lot along with what you're doing here. Okay, so you're really just going over each one, pushing as much of this cleaning solution through as possible, and that's really your goal here. The easier it is to push through, the less clogged it is, which is better for you. Now if you need to do this multiple times, go ahead and do it multiple times. Use up all the cleaning solution if you need to, and then just make sure to come down here and clean everything out. Once you have your new ink, go ahead and place it in there. Now if you need to do this a couple of times, do it a couple of times, because you know, you're not gonna do any harm by, you know, and if there's a certain color that you're wanting to clean specifically, also, you know, really just focus on that color before you clean the rest of them. Alright, so that's really all there is to it. Now if for whatever reason this doesn't work for you, I'm also going to leave a link in the description below for this Epson printer and some kind of advanced printers that use the same ink as this one, just in case you were wanting to upgrade. And again, the ink is going to be, there's going to be a link in the description below for the ink and this cleaning kit, which comes with more than a syringe, but that's just your visual there. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Now also, if you were wanting to browse for a completely different printer, I'm also going to link my website, bestprinterstech.com. That's going to be somewhere on the screen here and in the description below as well. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.